Hello friends, in last video we have seen the grounding and insulating electrical circuits and reversal. So now today we are going to start the new topic surge protection. You know about the surge protection. Surge protection is online services. It can be provided the our protection when we best quality services, best price, best when you can search about the quality of products within 1 minute we have to perform that products about the information very that prices will be and various product about the due to that periods of offers and discount services we can be provide various types of services can be provided by using the surge protection. Surge protection provides the best quality services in about that product which can be the prices will be cheap and very the product will be effective from can be get from the production of that factory services to your consumers. So that can be provided the simple search services, internet services. It is an internet services. Simply search about that the best price quality services can be cheap form we can be provided. So that that sale will be cheap and it can be find out the products many searching area we can you know that about the various services we can be provided like that Amazon, Flipkart, in various types of services we get the for manufacturing of that products quality that services when that product will be launched in extra services facts can be provided we can be provided by using this search protection services, though that trending is very trending services provided and that will be very popular services for about the product about discount information we can be get by using this search protection. The quality of results provided and this the dates of manufacturing to expiry dates is very transparency level we can be provided that from that search protection. So the best resources services results can be provided in these services. So that can be its services will be 100% secure without any hesitations. We can be apply these services very securely. So that will be new sources will be generated in best searching way. The search protector devices will be oftenly used in home protection form. So in this home protection we can be used that the search protection devices in this way we get the best quality services prices very cheap price provided than discount and that will be trademarks, launching, various forms of that about that property in 100% purely product we get that by using these services. In the home mode we can be provided in the protections of we can use the inverters that will be providing the battery backups. Example in home The best services will be provided for inverting services in the battery backup phenomena due to that surge protection devices. So this can be provided the uninterruptible power supply services will be generated about that surgical phenomena. So secondly, we have to tell about that these are the very cheap services, and within 1-2 minutes we get the quality of product in these services by using surge protection. So now next point I tell you about the interfacing DC-AC sources. Interfacing DC or AC sources as an control unit. So that can be used control units or elements. Sometimes is also called as elements. Its control elements is often used in relay circuits. Relay control circuits. So you know that about the relay. In first our topic in this third unit is relay. Relay is switching on off purposes we can be used, and in details relay we can study about that point. So now in this point with the relay is work as a protection devices, and it can be generated as a control elements about that circuitry phenomena. So it's various types of examples included in these relay services, protection services. First is in the form of 5-5 timer IC. In this 5-5 timer IC is often used that relay services that can be used for the on off the when timing consuming will be start, that the switches work is on off level. So when this process is completed, we that time will be off. So you know that various electrical appliances in day-to-day life we can be used like mixer, washing machine. So when we completed the work, then that will be the when we can operate this machine, then start, and then when we our work is finished, then machine is off. You know that we cannot start, the machine will be continuously. So these services will be provided from this relay protection service devices. From these relay devices we get the on-off services will be created in various types of circuits. So these circuits will be generated electronic. Relay controls that electrical circuits in the opening and closing contacts of that one circuit to another circuits. So in this way we can be used the relays in various electrical circuits. So secondly, relay is used for relay is often used for medical services. In these medical services, the publicators can get together. We can make causes due to medical treatments, due to the cancer treatment. We can often use these relay services. Cancer treatment. Which types of cancer we get to it's using this you can detect, and which types of treatments will be generated. We diagnose the cancer treatment. Diagnosing the cancer treatment is often used in medical services that relays protection circuits. So in this way we can get the cancer treatment. Use this relay for the X-rays detection and X-ray phenomena can be often used that laser treatment, X-ray treatments will be in the cancer patients we apply this by using the relays. So in this opening and closing circuits phenomena will be often be used that the electrical circuits will be used, and we get the easily diagnosis the which types of cancer we have to that patients will be how find out, and in this way we can be the detect that cancer, and then after that we can be medical treatments will be started about that cancer. In health professional services can be oftenly used these types of relay services. So find the overall services. We get the medical and health surgical phenomena we can be used with these relays. So in this way we oftenly use that relay services for interfacing DC or AC sources in the device of control elements as a relay. So in this way we can prove that how can be relays is used. So thank you.